Hi everyone, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer, and today I'm here with some great new cases from CASETiFY for the new iPhone 12 and 12 Pro. These cases offer 6.6 feet of drop protection, but are remarkably thin and lightweight, and come in a dizzying array of color and design options. Plus, they are antimicrobial and contain up to 50% of recycled material. What's not to love? Let's check out these cases in more detail. So CASETiFY sent me out 4 sample iPhone 12 cases. These are also going to fit on the iPhone 12 Pro, of course, because the two phones are the same size. And I have to say, I'm really impressed. The boxes that they come in are beautiful, little white gift boxes. Opening them up is a pleasure. Then when you look inside, the cases are absolutely beautiful. So thin and lightweight. So looking at this, just a beautiful little case. Gotta love the squared edges on here. Getting very excited for the new iPhone 12 and 12 Pro. Gotta wait one more week for them to come, unfortunately. But I think that this case is going to look absolutely lovely on there. So super thin and lightweight. We have a relatively rigid back on here, not much flex on the back at all, but there's enough flex on the sides, so this should be able to be installed and removed relatively easily from your phone, although of course I don't have the phones yet, so I can't say for sure. Fit-wise also, my experience with CASETiFY's impact cases in the past has been that these tend to have a really good fit, excellent buttons, etc. But of course I can't actually comment on that yet with this because I don't have an iPhone 12 Pro or an iPhone 12 to try it out on. So we got a clear back on here and clear sides. Although, as I'm going to show you here in a bit, there's lots of other options. You don't have to go with the clear case. You can also have a colored case with the same sort of a pattern, or a clear back and different colored sides. There's tons of custom options available from CASETiFY. Looking in the interior here, you can see this white line that runs around the edges. This is this material called Chi-Tech. This is CASETiFY's special material, which gives the case such good impact protection. 6.6 feet of drop protection, which is really impressive for such a thin and lightweight case. Also, this case has Defensify, which is an antimicrobial treatment that is going to eliminate 99% of microbial contaminants from this case. So particularly in this day and age, that is really great to have. So overall, just a lovely, beautifully made case here from CASETiFY. Looking at one of the other options they sent me, notice this one's a little bit different because we have black sides. Our sides have a nice amount of grip to them. And then our back here is completely opaque because it's completely covered with the design. Other than that, obviously, same case. Same nice lightweight feel in the hand. But it just feels like a very well-made case. It's going to look great on my phone, I feel sure. Then these next two options here, these are a part of the custom cases that CASETiFY has. So with these, you can specify text that you want on there, up to 12 letters. And again, you can choose to have a clear case like this, or you can also have a colored case, different colored text, etc. I'm going to show you the customization options here in a bit. I think that this is really fun. I love having the custom case with my name on it. And here's another variant here of that with initials. And this is a completely clear option with clear sides as well. So just a lovely array of cases here. Obviously these super slim cases are going to work fine with Qi wireless charging, and the folks at CASETiFY are telling me that most of their cases should be MagSafe compatible as well. So if that works, that'll be even more awesome. So really some great options here for your iPhone 12 or 12 Pro. Customizing your iPhone 12 case with CASETiFY is fun and easy, although there's so many options you might find yourself overwhelmed. CASETiFY has tons of different types of cases: print cases, custom cases, colored cases, glitter cases, leather cases. Some are more protective, some are less protective, but for the sake of simplicity and sanity, let's just look at the two types of impact cases that CASETiFY sent me out samples of. We have the custom cases and we have the signature print cases. So the customization screen looks like this. You start off with a clear frosted impact case. That's basically your plain vanilla. You can change the color of the sides of the case, or you can change the color of the whole case to be either an opaque matte color or a translucent color. And then you have the option to add custom text, perhaps your name or initials. You are limited to 12 characters, however. You can customize the color of the text, the font of the text, the orientation of the text. You can go landscape or portrait. And the positioning of the text. You can be on the bottom or the middle for horizontal text, or the side or the center for vertical text. There's no extra charge for any of this customization. A plain vanilla clear case costs the same as one with colors and custom text. And as you can see, you have lots of colors of cases and text to choose from. The other option you have is to choose one of CASETiFY's dizzying array of signature prints for your case. There's really something for everyone here: floral, quotes, custom art, marble, animals, fruits, etc. Once you've settled on a signature print you like, you can customize it further by choosing a translucent case color or a colored case side that suits you. And again, there's no extra charge for this additional customization. Comparing this 12/12 Pro Impact case with the 11 Pro Impact case that CASETiFY sent me last year, you can see that the 12 Pro Impact case is a little bit thinner. It's also just a little bit taller because the 12/12 Pro phone is a little bit thinner and a little bit taller as well. In terms of design, you can see that our port openings, they've decided to move to an asymmetrical port design here, as opposed to the symmetrical port design that we had with the 11 Pro, so I think that that is a good development. Other than that, in terms of wear and tear, you are going to have an issue with scratching and fingerprints to some extent. This kind of a glossy material here on the back does tend to scratch and show fingerprints, but there's a couple things that are going to help you on that. For one thing, we have these ridges here on the bottom and on the top. That's going to hold the phone case very slightly raised against a flat surface when it's put on its back, so that's going to help limit scratching over time. Also, the fact that we have this pattern on here is going to help reduce scratching and fingerprints. Well, it's going to reduce the appearance of scratching and fingerprints at least. I think it actually reduces fingerprints because this painted material on here, this doesn't really hold fingerprints in the same way that the glossy clear material does. So you're just going to pick up fewer fingerprints. As far as scratches, I think that you're just going to notice scratches less because your eyes are going to be drawn to the beautiful pattern and you're not just going to be looking at a plain clear back. So I think honestly this type of case is like a best of both worlds for a clear case because you're able to see the beautiful color of your phone, but then you're also not going to be constantly looking at scratches and fingerprints because your eye will be taken away with the beautiful design on here. So overall, I think we've got some outstanding options here for your brand new iPhone 12 or 12 Pro. These cases offer an impressive 6.6 feet of drop protection. That's way more than military standard drop protection, and they are extraordinarily thin and lightweight. You've got tons of customization options. You have antimicrobial protection, and you even have recycled content and recyclable packaging. Lots to love here from CASETiFY for iPhone 12 and 12 Pro. Again, we've been looking at the impact cases by CASETiFY for iPhone 12 and 12 Pro. These cases have an MSRP of $55 and are available directly from CASETiFY's website. And if you want to save 15% on your purchase, be sure to use the special affiliate link specifically for my viewers, CASETiFY.com/thetechreviewer. Many thanks to the kind folks at CASETiFY for sponsoring this review and sending me out these lovely samples. If you have any questions, please feel free to put them in the comment section below and I'll do my best to answer them, and please do consider hitting that subscribe button because I have a lot more accessory reviews coming up. Again, this is Kristen with the CASETiFY Impact Cases for iPhone 12 and 12 Pro. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day.